Now let's take a look at another Beamable feature prefab. I've got an empty project set up with Beamable already installed. Let's open up the toolbox and get started. There's a dedicated window Beamable that has several different options. We're going to go into the toolbox. The toolbox is organized into sections, and in each section there are relevant feature prefabs. Next, let's take a look at the Leaderboard Flow. This allows players to see their ranking relative to others in the community. Now, social features like this are optional, but they're the backbone to many monetization and marketing strategies. Let's take a look here. I'm going to open the Common section, drag out the Leaderboard Flow, and then I'm going to hit play. This integrates with Beamable's events, tournaments, and guilds. Here we can see that this player, which is me in this demo, has position number 1 with a score of 10.